you need to find the Bluetooth. Click on this notification panels. You can see Bluetooth button. If Bluetooth option not in here, you can click on start and type Bluetooth. Then you can find Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on this and turn on your computer Bluetooth. Then you need to prepare your phone Bluetooth. Get your phone and turn on Bluetooth and go to Bluetooth settings. Turn on. Then your computer, click on add Bluetooth to other device. Then click on Bluetooth to add a device. For the first time, when transfer the file between new phone and computer, you must add and pair both devices. After that or second round, you don't need to do this again. You can directly transfer the file. Only first time you need to pair and add device. Click on your device. Then they show connecting. Your phone have notification Bluetooth pairing request. Click on pair. Then click on connect. Now your device is ready to go. This device already paired now. As the first step, I will show you how to send file to your phone. Click on any files you need to send. Then right click and send to Bluetooth device. Select your device. Then click on next button. Your phone have new notification. You can accept it. File received for phone. Now you can open it your gallery. The second step is how to send files from your phone to laptop. Go and select any files, then click on share button. Click on Bluetooth. Go to your Bluetooth settings in computer and then right click, go to settings. Click on send or receive files via Bluetooth option. Then click on receive files. After opening this window, you can select your device on phone, then files being received to your computer. After receiving, you can select saved location. Click on finish. This is your new received files. This process is the best way to send below 50 MB small files and photos quickly. Bluetooth is available on many laptops. You can add it to a desktop computer also. Using Bluetooth dongle, it costs small amount of money.